Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Let's start by creating an env.local file at the root of your Next.js project. This file will store our environment variables. Here we've defined two variables. Next_public_API_URL, which will be accessible both on the server and on the client side, since it's prefixed with next_public_, and secret_API_key, which should only be used on the server side to keep it secure. Next, let's look at the next.config.js file. Here you can define additional environment variables under the env property. These variables are application-wide and can be accessed in any file. Since the variables are added at build time, they won't change unless you redeploy your app. Let's add a custom key with the value myValue as an example. Now, let's see how we can access our public environment variable. By calling process env next_public_API_URL, we retrieve the value of the API URL defined in our env.local file. Here we log it to the console. Remember, since this variable is prefixed with next_public_, it's accessible both on the client and server side of our application. Finally, let's access our secret key. This is done with process env secret_API_key. Keep in mind that since it does not have the next_public_ prefix, it's only available in server-side code. This is to protect the key from being exposed to the client. Typically, you'd use a secret key in functions like get server-side props or any API routes, not in client-side code.